Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the English class. As we are discussing about hospitality, we are going to see the poem on hospitality. So, look at this picture and you can describe what all the things you can see in this picture. So, you could see hills, falls, mountains, sea, grasses. So, these all are nature. As you know that these all are nature which are blessed to the humanity. So we can say that these are the blessings of nature to humanity. Humanity means human being. So today we are going to see what is the hospitality the mother nature has provided to the human being. So mother nature, our poem is Mother Nature. Can you say with me? Mother Nature. Mother means you know that mummy. We used to say in Tamil Amma. Everybody know that mother. So nature. So Mother Nature is a mother for all of us. Let's move on to the poem. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. So this is the first stanza of the poem. So here look at the hospitality of mother nature. So what is the hospitality does mother nature is giving us? It gives every creature, whole earth is blessed with the hospitality of mother nature. That means all the creature, you can take animals, all the domestic animals, wild animals, all the small insects, all the creatures, means those who are living in this earth, those who are living, those who have the life uh, on the earth, everyone have the hospitality of mother nature and they are enjoying their life in the earth. That's what the poem says. So there are no strangers under the tree. So there is no any unknown person from the other planet or other world, that unknown person to sit under the tree. Enjoy these shadows and fruits for free. So here no trees or no plants will ask money to the human being or the people, the animals, those who eat them. No trees will ask money because everything for free. All the plants and all the waters, whatever we are enjoying on the earth, everything for free. No one is asking. No one means it's talking about the tree, plants, and rivers, water, sea, every all the natures we can say that no one is asking money for enjoying. We are using lot of waters, we are sitting under the tree, we are eating fruits, we are plucking fruits, and we are cutting the woods from forest, and we are using lot of things, all the leaves we are using, but no one is asking money for it. So we enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. So not only human being, all the creatures in the world, all the animals, insects, birds, everyone is enjoying the hospitality of mother nature. There is a home for bird. So Here, if we build a house, if a person doesn't have a house, if they want to stay in the house, they have to pay rent. But so much of trees, so many trees are the houses for the birds. So many birds are building nest in on the trees, and they are living in that. But no trees are asking money for it, but they are enjoying the hospitality of the tree. Then there is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. So you can see that all over the forest, all over the world, wherever the trees are, all the human beings taking rest under the tree whenever they are tired, as well as birds are tired, they will sit on the tree and they will be just taking rest. And this herd means you can see that group of animals. If you take forest uh, or in the places where the domestic animals grow, everywhere the group of animals could able to refresh themselves under the tree. They can take rest and they could able to get fresh air, and they could able to rest under the tree. That's what the hospitality which mother nature gives us. So, this virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with smiling face. Wins the hearts in life's race. Fortune knocks with its best those who cares for their guest. So the second stanza of the poem talking about the uh, connecting the people with nature, how it's connecting. This virtue is our culture. So virtue means this is the moral character we should have in our life also, in our culture also. So we should follow this kind of what the mother nature gives us. The same virtue we should also follow, the good hospitality we should also follow to the people those who come to our house. Follow it in your future. So not only now, every day, even in the future, whenever the comes, we have to treat them as mother nature treated us. Always welcome with smiling face. If you think that if we are going to pluck the fruit from the tree, if tree says that, oh no, don't pluck the fruit from me, I don't I will not give you fruit, I will not give you branches, I will not give my leaves. If the trees are talking like that, what will happen? We will be in trouble. But the mother nature is teaching us that whenever the guest comes to our house, we have to welcome them with smiling face. So we should not show our rude face, or we should not be upset with the people, or we should not be sad about the people those who come to our house. Whoever comes, we have to welcome them with smiling face. Wins the hearts in life's race. So the smile face can make all the people to be happy as well as feel good. So our face expressions are very very important when it comes to hospitality. We have to smile and welcome them, so that we can win the heart of the people or guest, or those who come. uh, they will be very happy about, and we can win the heart of the people. Then fortune knocks with its best. Here, fortune means luck. The luck always it will knock with its best. That means whenever we treat the guest or people with good smiling face, and the hospitality, the good characteristic, whatever we learn from mother nature, if we show, always we will be the luck will be the door. Knocking the door means luck will come to our life, and it will give best thing. So those who cares for their guest. So as mother nature showed the hospitality, if we care for our guests, those who come to our house, then everything will be best in our life. So that's what we learn from this poem. So I will read it for you once again. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with smiling face. Win the hearts in life's race. Fortune knocks with its best those who cares for their guest. So, thank you, dear children. Thank you for listening to me. You can read these poem, two stanzas, and enjoy the poem. Thank you.